Have you ever tried to create an interactive spotlight effect? If not, let's do it right away. Without further ado, let's jump into it. First, create the frame and change its color to black. Next, add text, adjust it, and center it. Then, duplicate the text. Now, create the glow effect component by making a circle. Choose the color white and blur the layer. Now duplicate the layer and change it to the color you want to achieve the glowing effect. Select both layers and create a component set. In the prototype settings, use the while hovering trigger with Smart Animate set to ease in and ease out effects. Change the opacity of the white component to 0 so that it isn't visible initially, and then when we hover over it, it changes to the glowing effect. Now, take the component and cover the text. Next, group and select all the components, then change their properties to Component Set 1 so that the text remains visible. This is the last step. If you're still with me and you find this video helpful, click the like button and share this video. Let's get back to the tutorial. Now, select the group component set and a copy of the text, make a clipping mask, and set the layer properties to Screen. Now select the other text layer and make its fill to 0. Let's see how our interactive spotlight effect looks. It looks perfect. Subscribe to our channel. Peace.